Mastering multiple choice, gapped sentences, and open close for B2 Business Vantage. Hello, fellow learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of reading and use of English for the B2 Business Vantage exam, specifically focusing on multiple choice, gapped sentences, and open close tasks. These are essential sections to conquer, and by the end of this video, you'll feel more confident tackling them. Multiple choice questions are common, not just in English tests but across many subjects. The key here is to read carefully. 1. Skim the text first to get the general idea. 2. Reread the part of the text where the answer can be found. 3. Eliminate the obviously wrong choices. This will increase your odds of choosing the right answer. 4. Always trust your instincts and your understanding of the context. Gapped sentences require you to fill in a word or a phrase to complete the sentence. The challenge is to ensure that the word fits both in terms of meaning and grammar. Tips for success. 1. Read the entire sentence, even if you think you know the answer after reading only part of it. 2. Predict a word before looking at the options. This can help guide your choice. 3. Grammar is crucial. Ensure that the word fits grammatically in the sentence. Open-close tasks are similar to gapped sentences but with a twist. There are no options given. You need to think of a word yourself. 1. Context is crucial. Always consider the surrounding sentences. 2. Think about the type of word that fits, e.g., noun, verb, adjective. 3. Use fixed phrases you know. Sometimes the gap might be part of a common English phrase. 4. Grammar and tense consistency is key. If the passage is in the past tense, the gap probably requires a past tense verb, unless there's a change in time context. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into multiple choice, gapped sentences, and open-close tasks for the B2 Business Vantage exam. Remember to practice, practice, practice. The more you expose yourself to these types of questions, the more confident and accurate you'll become. Here's hoping this video has been enlightening, and we wish you all the best in your exam preparation journey.